Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fish in Scratch. First, open the Scratch editor and select a new sprite. You can choose a fish from the extensive sprite library or unleash your creativity by drawing a custom fish. Once you have your fish, adjust its size to about 50%. This will give it a more realistic appearance within your underwater scene, making it ready for action. Now, let's make your fish swim. Drag out a Move 10 Steps block and Anif on Edge Bounce block. This ensures your fish moves across the screen and doesn't get stuck. To add more natural movement, include a Point and Direction block and a Turn 15 degrees block. Wrap all these commands inside a forever loop so your fish continuously swims around the stage, bringing it to life. To make your fish more interactive, begin its script with a When Green Flag Clicked block. This ensures your program starts correctly. Incorporate a Go to Random Position block to make your fish appear in different spots each time the project runs, adding an element of surprise. For a fun visual touch, add a Change Color Effect by 25 block, making your fish subtly shift colors as it swims. Finally, let's enhance your underwater environment. Choose an appropriate underwater backdrop from the Scratch library to set the scene. To make your ocean even more vibrant, add other sea creatures as additional sprites, like crabs or jellyfish, giving your fish companions. You might also consider adding subtle sound effects, such as gentle bubbles, to create a truly immersive and engaging underwater experience for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.